at Columbia Asia provide an environment that is clean and caring. Our practice of medicine is ethical and at all times evidence-based. I must say, we are different. It gives me tremendous pleasure to present Columbia Asia to you.
Bringing 21st century medicine to the emerging countries of Asia. Columbia Asia. 21st century healthcare. Columbia Asia hospitals are a preferred choice for businesses and families among the emerging middle-income group of Asia. Our facilities in Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and now in India use internationally benchmarked medical protocols and state-of-the-art equipment, managed by trained and experienced doctors, nurses, and paramedics, all under one roof. Each of our facility delivers best medical care and has improved access to affordable and quality healthcare. We offer a wide range of specialities. Right from the first consultation to the patient discharge, our patient care involves intense monitoring at every stage, using advanced technology.
At Columbia Asia, we offer orthopedic care that is second to none. And this can make a major difference in maintaining or improving the quality of life of your patient. From joint replacements to treatment of osteoporosis to fractures and polytrauma and much more, our patients can count on our expertise and services for a faster recovery. For example, when a 78-year-old patient came to our orthopedic department with severe pain in the hip joint, which he had for the past 4 years, he was diagnosed to have severe osteoarthritis of that hip. He needed a hip replacement because his pain was unbearable. He was also a known diabetic and hypertensive. He had recently been diagnosed to have a heart problem, and he was on medication for all of this. The pre-anesthetic checkup was done and the cardiology clearance was obtained. In the operating theatre, this surgery went on smoothly. He was monitored using state-of-the-art monitoring devices. After surgery, the anesthetists found it fit to shift him to the surgical ICU, where he was for the next 2 days recouping from the surgery. And then after about a further 5 days, he made an uneventful recovery and transferred back home.
As an outcome of our synergistic team effort, today we perform over 850 similarly successful surgical procedures every year that include laminectomies, arthroscopies, major joint replacements, and many more. Our Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology offers a full range of medical programs and services for all the stages of a woman's life. Our patients rely on the assurance provided by our highly skilled obstetricians, gynecologists, as well as a well-equipped NICU that makes a significant difference to our patients' lives while facing high-risk pregnancies.
One patient who was around 26-27 weeks, she was coming to me for a regular antenatal checkup. There was no problem. In 2 days' time, she came to emergency room and she had chest discomfort. In the emergency room, the blood pressure when checked, it was 140/100. And once again, within half an hour's time, when we checked her BP again, it was 200/120. Within an hour or two, she was having all the symptoms of pregnancy-induced hypertension and what we call it as an imminent eclampsia. So we gave her some steroids which will help to mature the baby's lung. And after round the clock, we had one-to-one care and controlled her blood pressure and saw to it that it was at a very safe level. And then we had to do a cesarean section, and the baby was only 940 grams. And the baby did extremely well in the NICU, and she could take home a 1.2 kg baby at the end of 2 or 3 weeks.
So whenever a baby is born small or premature, they might need some kind of breathing support because their baby is small. We need to be looking into their feeding and nutrition issues, and the most important being control of infection for the time the baby is going to be in the NICU for. We have very high-end incubators which more or less simulate the mother's environment, keeping the baby at the most thermal safe zone, giving the right kind of humidity, keeping the infection as much away as possible.
This seamless interdepartmental coordination and timely monitoring has helped Columbia Asia Hospitals excel in all areas of gynecological, maternal fetal, reproductive and pelvic health.
When a patient comes to ICU, as intensive care specialists, we take on the leadership role to coordinate between the treating specialists to execute a management plan. Strength of our ICU is mainly we believe in team spirit. We have an excellent backup of specialists who form the core of our ICU team to facilitate a good outcome.
Every patient who comes to our ICU usually gets connected to a monitor through which we monitor the patient's vital statistics on a real-time basis. We measure the heart rate, the blood pressure, the oxygen levels, respiratory rate, etc. We also perform specialized procedures like tracheostomies, bronchoscopies and other things like central venous access and arterial lines. In short, we have the expertise to monitor and manage any patient who comes to the unit without any problems.
We are equipped with anesthetic machines and advanced hemodynamic monitoring systems to help us monitor the heart in the operation theatre, recovery room and ICU, and thus ensure the safety of patients. We have state-of-art equipment like minimally invasive cardiac output monitors, which measures the continuous cardiac output through a simple arterial line, ensuring complete monitoring and a recovery of the patient and giving better patient outcome.
These technological advancements gives us a clear picture of the patient during high-risk surgeries and helps us to perform as good synergetic team with the surgeon.
At Columbia Asia, our care goes beyond offering world-class facilities. A highly synergistic team provides the best of healthcare in the form of the surgeons, who promise the best outcome, the anesthetists, who provide the best in perioperative management for patients undergoing various types of surgeries, and the intensivists, who offer the best in the care of critically ill patients. At Columbia Asia, all of us strive to deliver affordable world-class medical care in a great synergistic partnership that is vital in the success of our patients' recovery. Because we at Columbia Asia follow 21st century healthcare and are the hospitals of the future.